Sound Ideas is taken to the skies to record airplanes. Our engineers were able to gain exclusive access to runway areas normally off limits to the public. This gave us the perfect location for recording planes, both on the ground and in the air. We've also captured the authentic sounds of classic World War II planes. But it's not just airplanes, we've also recorded helicopters. And we were even able to record the sounds of an F-18 fighter jet. Because Sound Ideas goes to extremes to get the sounds we need.